Hello, I'm glad to see you here. In this video we will learn how to reverse the order of the chars in a string, as in the example before you. First of all, we will create a string. We will find the length of the string. We also need to find the middle index of the string. All that remains is to go through all the chars, from the beginning to the middle. Each time replace char with its corresponding char, in the other half of the string. It means that we will replace the first char with the last char. And we will replace the second char with the one before the last char. And so we will continue until we reach the middle. Well done! We were able to reverse the order of the string. If this video helped you, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. Click like the video, and write me below in the comments what you think. Thank you. See you next time.